Well, order. I
Whoa,
can't
did you
see it.
see? You can see it. Back up. Come over here. You can see better. Back here. Come back here. Over here. Stand back here. You can see better. See it?
Yeah.
Watch where you're going. Don't walk into nobody.
Thank you.
I want to see it from here.
Yes, sir. How you doing,
I
sir?
can see it.
Good.
Well, we got back up. Back up and you can see it.
Where's Brossers exactly? What street? What again?
Another time. That's a full one.
Yeah.
Michigan Street and Main. Like that crossover.
Michigan Street, I heard of mine, but I have no
Are we
idea.
gonna see the big?
Yes.
I don't know. We gotta keep looking. There's a lot more to see.
Yep, it's in a
Tunnel.
Oh, watch where you're going. Don't walk into nobody.
Excuse me.
Oh, come here. He's coming out. You want to see the zoo?
Yeah.
Come here, I pick you up. Look at the zoo.
Ooh, I want to see the train come around this way.
Well, hopefully I can hold you long enough. Look, there's more.
I'm falling. I'm falling. I'm falling.
Don't touch.
I'm not. Ah, I'm falling.
Oh, you're heavy.
Yeah. Oh. Falling. Ah, I'm falling. Fall down. The train going around.
Yeah, the train's going around.
And a
Papa's gonna like this. It's a trailer park. Look, see the train?
Yeah, I'll touch
See, I
it.
told you it's coming around.
I'll touch it.
No, you can't touch him.
Okay. Can we see the bigger ones?
We're gonna see in a minute.
Whoa.
See the train in the back?
Yeah.
There's one back there moving.
But that other one's not. What's there? That's not.
Outside of the city, northeast of Lafayette, NS's old Wabash line, single track.
I see the tunnel.
Tunnel?
Yeah.
There is no tunnel.
Yeah, back there.
Well, you're too heavy. Oh, there's another one. Oh, grab your pencil. You're too heavy to hold. Look, there's little trains over here.